Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today let's go for a drive in this 2022 Toyota Highlander XSE. This vehicle has 295 horsepower with a 3.5 liter V6. This has a red interior, as it's the XSE, so you can get the red interior. It's like the sportier trim. You have a wireless charging tray right there, which is pretty cool. Put my phone in there. Let's see. Charge, yep, it's charging. That's cool. I didn't even know that. That's nice. You have sport, normal, eco modes. You have a reverse camera over there, heated seats, nice leather wrap steering wheel. You have some carbon fiber trim in here, black exterior. I like the wheels. Here are your rear seats. Pretty comfortable back here, lots of leg room. And I also have cup holders in the center. You also have some cup holders in the doors, so obviously those are for smaller drinks or water bottles or so. You've got dual outlet exhausts over there. You also have 3 rows in the Highlander. Very practical SUV right here. So the seats feel pretty comfortable in this. I see you also have blind spot alert in the mirrors, which is good. Pretty, I guess it accelerates, right? It's pretty standard acceleration for like a family SUV like this. Even though it's the XSE, it's just it's not like a TRD or anything like that, and I don't think they would ever make a Highlander TRD. That's no point of that. But the XSE is just a sporty trim from Toyota. Makes the car look sportier, but not necessarily gives it performance. If you want more performance and stuff, you got to get a TRD model in like a Camry TRD or like a Tundra, Sequoia, Tacoma TRD, etc. Here's your home screen. I'm gonna turn off the auto start stop. You got the brake hold right there. You got a snow mode. Adjust the volume right there. You got JBL sound system. I'm pretty sure this has Apple CarPlay. Not all that familiar with Toyotas, so but it should. And then scrolling through these menus, you can choose your safety support stuff, digital speedometer in the center, and it'll show like the distance till empty. No ventilated seats in this car, makes sense. It's just the XSE. I'm sure the higher trims will have it. The Highlander is a nice SUV. It's reliable. It's a Toyota. It looks pretty good actually for just being a regular family SUV. I like the way it looks better than the Grand Highlander. I don't really like the way that car looks, to be honest. Yeah, I didn't even know that there was a Highlander XSE for a long time. I just found out pretty recently that this is actually a real trim on the Highlander. But yeah, I mean, it's a very tame acceleration. Like, it's nothing too crazy, of course. It's just a Highlander, but it feels pretty smooth for what it is. Handling is decent too, but it's a good family SUV, you know. I mean, if you want a Highlander but just want a little better looking Highlander, which isn't so bland, like the base models are very bland. It just looks like run-of-the-mill car, but this at least stands out a little bit more. Pretty bright sun right there on this evening. But yeah, overall I would say it's a pretty comfortable SUV. Seats are comfortable. Definitely a good family hauler. A good SUV to get if you want to just stand out a little bit more on your commute in a Highlander, rather than just getting a regular looking one. And it's like a two-tone, like the middle, oh actually no it's not. The third row is black, even though it has red seats in the front and middle row seats. The third row has black seats. But anyways, that is about it. Thank you for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and be sure to check out the link to Grubb's Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for pre-owned vehicles and all kinds of vehicles like this Toyota Highlander XSE.